Hi beauty, so today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys using glitter. This is the holiday glam look with purple glitter. Well, purple and glitter. So I was really excited to film this look because I love playing with glitter and I never get a chance to. So whenever I do, it's like, yes, yes, yes. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely do so by clicking the subscribe button down below and click the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without further talking, let's get into the video. I'm going to use the Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. This will help me stay nice and matte during my holiday party because we don't have time for oil. For foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. This is my perfect match. Thank you, Miss Aina. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply this foundation. This foundation is a nice medium to full cover. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in Maple. This has been my favorite concealer since it launched. Like, I just really, really love this concealer. And then I'm going to use the same beauty blender to blend that out. Are any of you guys going to holiday parties this year? Let me know if you are, because I want to know. And then let me know what makeup you're going to wear or what outfit, like what color or like, you know. So next I'm just going to set my under eye. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty powder, which is my current favorite for my under eyes. I honestly just really love the color. It's just a beautiful yellow shade for the under eye. It really helps highlight and brighten a lot. Like, I love yellow powders, and this one is just literally my favorite right now. I put some on my eye. I will be doing eyeshadow. I want to do a new hairstyle for like, I don't know, January, but I don't know what I want to do. Like, I kind of want to do braids, but I never leave braids on for that long. So, like, I'm scared that I'll do them and want to take them out in like 2 weeks. Because, you know, that's kind of a waste. You know, first of all, sitting down for 6 hours. And then secondly, paying the hefty price. We're going to use the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil to fill the brows. It's definitely my current favorite. I prefer the coloring in Benefit brow products, I think, over Anastasia. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the James Charles and Morphe palette. Just open this up. This purple shade down here and this purple shade down here. So we're going to start with this one first. I'm going to use the Sigma E35 brush to start applying this into my crease, just like this. I just like to push the color in first before I start blending away, you know. Then we're going to start blending away. Back and forth. Like, what is going on right now? There's like bugs flying around. Like, what? Alright, we're gonna just blend this purple shade into the crease. I feel like purple is definitely not a typical holiday color. Like, you think red, green, silver, and gold. But I feel like purple is royalty, and it's just like, you know, like you're a queen in purple. So I like purple for the holidays. I'm taking the deeper purple now and I'm gonna apply that over here right on top of the lighter one and then blend that in like this. This is definitely gonna be like a quick glam mom look, like quick. Alright, so the purple is done. I'm going to use some glitter glue now. I'm going to use a Too Faced glitter glue. And we're just going to put some on the back of the hand. Like that. And then I'm going to take a, I'm going to use a shader brush to just tap that onto my eyelid. Next, we're going to take this iridescent glitter from MAC. It is called Iridescent White. And we're going to apply that over top. My daughter definitely emptied out like so much of this jar. I'm just going to blend to the side and tap that on. Alright, so there's that eye, and I'm going to do the other eye real quick. This is giving me all types of vibes, like, yo. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here, which is a purple, but it has some type of sheen to it, and I'm going to add that a little bit in the crease right here, just to give a pop of color. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the first purple, which is the lighter one, and I'm just going to put that down here. Then I'm going to take the big brush and just buff that whole area out with that same purple shade. Looking nice. I'm loving this. I'm going to take this other purple shade because I feel like the bottom is kind of missing something. So I'm going to just add this shade down here so that it has a little bit of sparkle. Alright, so we're going to add some mascara. I'm going to use this Rimmel mascara first. We're going to use lashes, so it's okay if you don't, put too much on the top. I'm going to use these lashes that I got from AliExpress. Alright, so I threw my lashes on. Well, I didn't throw them on, but I put them on. And I'm going to do some contouring or bronzing. So we're going to bronze. I'm going to take Morphe's Bronzer in Showman's and this Tarte brush. I'm going to contour my face. Whoa. Some serious situations going on here. I'm going to just buff that in. Gonna get snatched. Trying to get snatched out here. A little bit on my forehead. Okay. So for blush, I'm going to use Laura Mercier's Coeur Royale. This beautiful plum type of shade. I think it looks perfect with this look because it's, it has plum. I'm just gonna lightly add this to my cheeks. This is such a beautiful color. I'm not even using a lot, but it's so pigmented. I'm just lightly dabbing into it, but it's really, really beautiful, especially for deeper skin tones. Like they hooked us up. I'm gonna use some highlights. I actually got a new Laura Mercier highlight in the mail because I saw this in store, swatched it, and I was really, really loving it, and then they sent it to me, so I was so happy. But this is the new Laura Mercier holiday collection of highlighters. I believe this is limited edition. It looks very limited edition, so if you want it, you should get it now. Really, really, I love it. It's so pretty. I also love the gold. It's such a beautiful shade. They just are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to use this shade right here on my cheeks, or my, you know what I mean. Take this little Anastasia brush, and we're just going to apply this here. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wow. Literally blends right into your skin tone and makes you look like you're glowing from within. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the gold, and because I know it's going to make it pop even more, I'm going to add some here. See what that does? Like, oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm also going to take some of the gold and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Just to make that pop. It also helps, you know, connect the whole look together. Whenever I can't find an eyeshadow or I don't want to use any of the shadows that I use for my inner corner, I like to put highlight there because I just feel like it ties the whole look together. It's perfect. Now, I did not pick out a lip color. It's always an afterthought. I mean, maybe like once in a while I'll pick it out from like the jump, but like today, like I have no clue. But I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna line my lips real quick. I kind of want to go purple, but then I don't know. I don't know if you're ready. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this shade called Quickie. This is from MakeupShayla and Colourpop. It is a nude, but it has like a slight peachy color to it. So I think it will really work. I definitely need some gloss, some sparkle because it's the holidays. I'm going to use Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home for gloss because I think it's really going to work for this look. I'm going to take my hair out. It didn't really do too much. I did add some curls to this unit this morning, but they kind of fell already because it was raining. I had no clue it was raining. Like, that's what I get for not checking the weather. I decided I was going to do some curls. I took my time. And then it was raining outside. Like, you know, it's just ridiculous. I need to grow up and check. I need to start checking the weather before I step out my house. There could be like a 20-foot blizzard outside and I would have no clue until I opened the front door. Like, that's how horrible it is. I really need to check the weather before I step out the house. Or before I make such, you know, decisions. Like spending an hour curling my hair. Anyways, that's what's left of that. And so this is the completed glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had fun filming it. I love playing with glitter. I never get so much of a chance to play with glitter because, you know, I just don't. So whenever I do, I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know why I'm doing all of this, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.